programmers. In today's class, we'll see what is subtotal in OpenOffice Calc. Subtotal is a tool in OpenOffice Calc through which you can group a particular column. As in my case, you can see we have name of the employee, the city is there, designation of each employee, and the salary the employee is drawing. Now I can group this entire table on based on this city column or even based on this designation column, as we have some common designation like software engineer is there, now programmer is there are so many programmers. And the same way for city also, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kanpur, Nagpur, and the Delhi, Lucknow, Nagpur, there are so many cities which are repeating. Now if you want to group this, you can use this and subtotal option. So what Excel, this OpenOffice Calc will do, it will group according based on the column you have selected, and then it will show you the sum of the salary. Or if you want to even calculate the average, you can select average. If you want to count, that also a function you can use it. Now let us see how we can do that. First of all, you have to select the entire range, but even if I do not select the range, OpenOffice will automatically select it for me. I'll go to the data menu and I will select subtotal. Now as you have seen, I have not selected the range, but OpenOffice Calc has done it for me. It is selecting the range. Now this is a dialog box where you can see there are 4 tabs. First is first group, second group, third group. So if you want to apply more than one group, you can do that. But I want to apply group by. Now see the option group by. You have to select the column through which you want to group. For example, I want it for my city. I want to group employee based on the city. Now calculate subtotal for. Here you have to select the column for which you want to calculate this subtotal. So I am selecting salary here, as I have only one column which has numbers and I want to calculate the salary. That's why I am selecting salary from here. Now use function. In this list you can select any of the function. I am selecting sum as I want to calculate the total salary. You can select average, count, max, min, any. I am selecting sum. And now this, if you want more than one group, you can select. I'll go to the fourth tab. Now this is showing options like groups. You can apply page break between groups. You can use this checkbox for case sensitive text also. And this is pre-sort area according to group. Now in this OpenOffice Calc, you don't need to sort your data before doing subtotal. It will automatically do it for you. Now you can select the sorting option if you want ascending order or descending order for your column. I will select ascending only, as I want it in ascending order only, and then click on OK. Now can you see this? After this, I am getting the total salary for Ahmedabad city here. This is showing the total salary for Calcutta, Delhi, and this way I am getting the subtotal for different cities. Now if you want to show to others, if you do not want to reveal the detail, if you want to hide the details, you can go to this one and then you can show this grand total. It will show only the grand total. You can even go to second option if you want to show the city and the total for each city. But if you want to show the detail to anyone, you can click on this 3 option. This will display the detail of my cities. This way you can do subtotal. I'll show you one more example. You can either undo it or you can even reset it by going to the dialog box and then clicking on reset button will reset it. I'll just do the undo option. I'll select undo option from this. Now I'll show you one more example. I will go to data menu and then I'll select subtotal from here. Group by, and I will select the same column city and the salary column for which I want to calculate the subtotal for. Now I want to count how many employees are there in my company. So I'll select this count option. You can select any option of your choice and then I will click on OK. So as you can see, this is showing me the number of employees in each city. Like Ahmedabad has 2 employees, Calcutta 3 and Delhi 5, Kanpur 3. This way you can use any function, and then this way you can use subtotal in OpenOffice Calc. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet in next class with another option of OpenOffice Calc. Thank you for watching.